Let's talk about three core ideas that are central to conservative thinking: tradition, order, and authority. These are the key elements that help shape how conservatives view society and what they believe keeps it running smoothly. Tradition. Tradition is a big deal in conservative thought. It's all those customs and practices that have been handed down through generations. For conservatives, these traditions are like a guidebook filled with wisdom and practices that have proven themselves over time. Why do traditions matter so much? They give us a sense of who we are and where we come from. They help us feel connected to our past and to each other. Imagine celebrating holidays without the usual customs. No family dinners, no special rituals. It would feel pretty empty, right? That's the kind of connection traditions provide. Some people argue that traditions can hold us back, keeping us stuck in old ways that might not fit today. But conservatives believe that while we might need to tweak some traditions now and then, abandoning them altogether would leave us without a clear sense of identity or direction. Order. Order is all about having a stable, predictable society where people can go about their lives without constant upheaval. Think about how important rules are in sports. Without them, the game would be chaotic. The same goes for society. For conservatives, a well-ordered society is crucial. It means having clear laws that everyone follows, knowing what is expected of us, and having institutions that keep things running smoothly. When there is order, people feel safe and can focus on living their lives and achieving their goals. Order isn't just about strict rules and regulations, though. It's also about respecting natural hierarchies, those differences in roles and responsibilities that help society function. Conservatives believe that these hierarchies reflect natural differences in talent and ability, and that respecting them leads to a more efficient and harmonious society. Critics might see this as a way to justify inequality, but conservatives argue that without some kind of order, society would quickly fall into chaos and everyone would be worse off. Authority. Authority is all about having leaders and institutions that guide us and enforce the rules. It might sound a bit heavy, but authority is necessary to keep everything from falling apart. Conservatives believe that legitimate authority, whether it's the government, law enforcement, or even parents at home, is essential. This authority isn't about wielding power for power's sake, but about using it responsibly to protect and guide society. Take the family unit, for example. Conservatives see the family as the building block of society, and parental authority is key to raising children who are respectful, responsible, and aware of societal norms. Without this authority, families, and by extension society, couldn't function properly. Some people worry that too much authority can stifle individual freedom, but conservatives argue that without some level of authority, there wouldn't be any freedom at all, just chaos and disorder. How they work together. Tradition, order, and authority aren't just standalone ideas. They work together in a big way. Tradition gives us a sense of continuity, order provides the structure, and authority ensures that both are upheld. Think about it like this. Tradition is the foundation, order is the walls, and authority is the roof of a house. You need all three to have a stable, secure home. Conservatives believe that by maintaining this balance, society can handle changes without losing its core values and principles. They provide a framework for stability, continuity, and a sense of belonging in an ever-changing world. Understanding these concepts helps us see why conservatives value them so much and how they contribute to a functioning, cohesive society.